It's Meemeow unboxing time. I am so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing these 2 full cases of the newest litters of the Aphmau Meemeow mystery plushies. So this one here is litter number 7 and it is the Carnival Treats litter. We've got 9 different Meemeows inspired by different carnival treats. I'm personally hoping there's going to be a fairy floss and a hot dog. Or a hot cat, I guess. Then I also have a bunch of cold cats. This is the limited edition ice cream litter. This set has 8 different Meemeows inspired by different ice cream flavors. I can't wait to see what all the flavors are. On the side here we have what looks like a chocolate chip mint and a strawberry. So basically what I have here is just a bunch of Meemeows to make us hungry. Now these were all very kindly gifted to me by the lovely people at Banter Toys and Collectibles. They've just bought these 2 litters out to Australia and New Zealand, so if you're feeling like a little cat snack, you can hop over to your local Big W or Target to find these. Kmart are also stocking these carnival ones, and if you're in New Zealand, you can find both of them at the warehouse too. Thank you so much to Banter Toys for sending these to me and making this video possible. Let's find out what they all look like. Starting off with this ice cream. Oh my goodness. As usual, the box is showing us all the designs. Look at these glorious creatures. And look at that, more glorious creatures. Ice cream Meemeow number 1 is in a silver packet. Our first ice cream is... Oh, we're cookies and cream already! Oh wait, no, this is cookie dough. Look at its little paws. They are literally scoops of ice cream. And it has like a waffle cone on its stomach. And we've also got 3 scoops of ice cream on top. There's also this layer of dripping ice cream. And underneath, we've got dripping chocolate. This is the face of the cookie dough cat. He's got the most beautiful eyes. Look at all those shades of brown. And then it's like he's got little freckles made out of chocolate chips. And we've got the signature Meemeow smile. And my favorite bit is this cookie he has on his head. This is really making me crave some cookie dough. Let's find out what our second ice cream cat is. Oh, I like how the inside tabs have a whole lot of question marks sprinkled in with the sprinkles. Second ice cream cat is mint choc chip. Oh, he has the cutest face. He's got little eyelashes and a little mint tongue poking out. He also has little chocolate chip freckles, so sweet. He's also got a drizzle of chocolate and some sprinkles, chocolate ears here. Oh, she has sprinkles behind her ears too. So she does not have ice cream scoops for feet, but she has topping around the edges of all her feet. Oh, she has little paws on her back feet. This is interesting. Cookie dough here is the first Meemeow I think I've ever owned that doesn't have the paws on the back feet because they're ice cream scoops. All right, let's open the top right one. Typically I open this one first, but today I was feeling a bit spontaneous. Let's find out what the official first one in the box is. Out of the freezer bag comes a brown one. Oh, it's chocolate. It really looks like he's staring at a chocolate fountain, and that's a reflection of the chocolate fountain in his eyes. We've got more embroidered sprinkles around here. A big splodge of chocolate ice cream here. That looks like triple choc, which is the flavor I always go for. Got to get as much chocolate as possible. So much chocolate. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. This one also has a waffle cone stomach like the cookie dough one did earlier. If I was gonna pick one of these to eat, this would be it. I'm gonna be very sporadic and open up this one next. Ice cream Meemeow number 4 is... It's a double. That's what I get for opening up things in a random order. Okay, I've taken the second one. Fingers crossed this will be a new one for me. Mystery ice cream number 5 is... Who is that? Ooh, I can't tell what this is. Vanilla, I guess? I was correct. It's vanilla. Now, don't you think this cat looks like the most cartoony thing ever? Like she's got the dark outlines around her eyes and her mouth. She just looks like the star of a cartoon. She has a drizzle of chocolate with embroidered sprinkles and a cherry on top. Then she has a scoop of vanilla ice cream with a bunch of rainbow sprinkles. I've got chocolate topping with a whole lot more sprinkles. Honestly, there are just sprinkles everywhere on this one. Dripping ice cream, dripping chocolate, waffle cone on the bottom, and little paws on the back. So I've got 4 different designs, 1 double and 4 cats left. Fingers crossed the other 4 will be the other 4 cats I need. Alright, mystery ice cream number 6 is... the strawberry! Come back here. So this is the strawberry ice cream cat. She is beautiful and pink and she has a little strawberry on her head. How adorable is that? She also has beautiful, beautiful eyes. I love the pink embroidery and the little heart is so cute. Lots of pink embroidered sprinkles across this whole thing. Now she has a scoop of her pink strawberry ice cream on her back and a little pink cone. That is adorable. Plus she has a bow on her tail. How cute is that? So adorable. And like the cookies and cream, she has the ice cream scoops as feet. I do wonder if they're just like ice cream scoop shoes or are the actual feet actually ice creams? Okay, Meemeow. Oops. Mystery Meemeow number 7. I've already got all the cats on this side, all 4 of them ticked off, and I still need 1, 2, 3 from the other side. Which flavor will this one be? Who's that? Oh, it's the Napolitano. Oh my gosh. This is so colorful. All the other ones have had like a very specific one color. Well, not this one. She's pretty rainbow. Oh my gosh. This is 2 sisters. This is definitely 2 sisters. You can't convince me otherwise. We take a look at her face. She's also got those pastel sprinkles here. Oh, she has 2 different colored eyes. That is so cool. So she's got a strawberry eye on the chocolate side and a chocolate eye on the strawberry side. 2 different colored ears too. Oh, I love asymmetrical designs. Also has a cherry on top like her sister, who I rudely chucked away. Also, she has 3 different colored ice cream scoops, the first cat to do that. She also has a waffle cone stomach, and her feet are the most unique of all the cats because down here, we've got chocolate feet with strawberry paws. And then up here, we've got vanilla with, is that caramel topping, do you think? I don't know, but this cat has a lot of different flavors. If you're feeling indecisive, pick this one. You can have everything. 2 ice creams left. Still needing the other uncommon cookies and cream and the rare, the sherbet. Please, please, please. Second last ice cream cat is, does that look like, yes, that is cookies and cream emerging from the bag. Oh my goodness, this one has actual cookies on its back. Got these little Oreo cookies on its back. How cute is that? He has sprinkles, but he also has little chocolate chips everywhere. Look at those stripes. Just look at this one's face. It has the cutest little expression. Look at that funny smile. It's so cute. Also another one with very cute eyes, cute eyelashes, little hearts in the eyes. And then he has an ice cream scoop on his head with the little cone. This one's ears are also different to everyone else's. It has 2 different colors of embroidery in its ears. So we got the cookie, we got the cream, and we got the cookie on the outside. So many layers of cookies and cream. This would be so tasty. Now, can we complete the collection with the final rainbow sherbet cat? Please be the glorious rainbow sherbet cat. Time to unwrap the ice cream wrapper. Is it sherbet? Oh my goodness, it is sherbet. This is almost like birthday cake cat. I thought that was a candle for a second. It's not. It's actually a scoop of ice cream with a little cone on the head. We've got these beautiful gradients. We've got pink, orange to greeny, yellow to blue. It looks fabulous. Oh my gosh, this one has the most advanced ears of all. We have 3 different colors in the ears. She's got such cute little eyes too, little stars in her eyes, and this expression is just adorable. And then she has my favorite thing too, the little ice cream scoop paws. I love how each paw has the full gradient too, such a nice detail. And with that, we have completed the ice cream cat collection. How beautiful. And now I really want some ice cream, but we can't do ice cream yet. We've got to do carnival treats. Carnival treats, it's your time to shine. I am loving the stripes on these boxes. I'm loving these little flags along here. here, but mostly I'm loving these designs. Now, there doesn't seem to be a fairy floss like I was hoping, but is that a hot dog? Is that literally a hot dog cat? Let's find out what our first carnival treat is. Oh, we have to look at the guide first. That is literally a hot dog cat. It's literally a hot cat. Onion ring has a purple packaging. Onion ring cat is representing us purple girlies. Lollipop cat looks gorgeous. Sundae cat, another friend for our ice creams. All right, which one will the first one be? The first carnival treat to snack on is, oh, it's the apple one. Caramel dipped apple. This is so cute. How cute is that? Little apple stem, little leaf. Eyes, once again, glorious. We've got green, we've got brown, we've got white, and a green heart. Also, cute little eyelashes. Love. Also, sprinkles. I mean, freckles. I've been talking about ice cream for too long. Freckles. This is the stick so we can actually eat our caramelized apple. I guess it belongs like this then. Maybe not. Love how the caramel has this outline around it that goes all the way around the face. So cute. It kind of looks like hair. Looks like she's got a really cute haircut there. Then on the paws, they are dipped in caramel too. So it's like the paws are made of apple, but they've got the caramel dipped part too. What a tasty little cat. Let's open this one next. Our second carnival treat of the day is red. Oh, it's ice cream. We're not done talking about sprinkles yet. Oh, she has a hot pink cherry. That is so cool. She's like the distant cousin of these ones. There's going to be a whole mini series of the cartoon where the cousin comes to visit, and let me tell you, the cousin, she causes chaos. Her and her hot pink cherry. We have chocolate and strawberry topping dripping down. Is that even chocolate? It kind of looks like red velvet. Quite literally feels like red velvet too. Got a banana on top of a chocolate scoop. She's got a waffle cone stomach with the little ice cream paws that I love so much. These have 2 layers of fabric, so you can see the chocolate fabric and the strawberry fabric. That is awesome. I absolutely love her. Let's open up this one next. Carnival cat number 3 is gonna be pink. Oh my gosh, it's the one I wanted. It's the hot cat. Well, hot dog cat. This is so cute. When I said hot dog cat, what I was imagining was a cat with a bread bun up here and a sausage in there. But this cat is actually the hot dog itself. That is hilarious. That is perfect. Oh my goodness. This cat has a little ear that is folded down. Look at that. He has one floppy ear. It's got mustard here. It's got mustard on the tail. It's wrapped in a bread bun. Sesame seeds on the bread bun. We love it. And he's even got a packet of tomato sauce on his head. I'm so glad they did a hot dog. I was kind of joking when I said hot dog. I was thinking that fairy floss would be a given and hot dog would just be the joke. But turns out there is no fairy floss in here. The snow cone one actually looks kind of like I'd imagine the fairy floss one to be. Carnival treat number 4 is... oh my goodness! That was weird timing. This is what I imagine the fairy floss would feel like. That was why I wanted a fairy floss for a fluffy cat. And this is fulfilling all those fairy floss dreams. It's fluffy and it's sparkly. Doesn't get much better than that. Fluffy sparkles. What more could you want? Also, look at this tail. This is a snow cone. I can't actually figure out what flavors this would be. Cranberry, lemon, blueberry, I don't know. But the colors look adorable. It's so cute. And look at the eyes. I always love the eyes of Meemeows. They're one of the best things. They're like the colors of the flavors. So we've got dark blue outline, red in here, and little gold stars. So precious. And this one also has a cherry on top. And there you go. There is a snow cone cat. I still think they should do a fairy floss one. Just like this, just make it pink. All right, Carnival Meemeow number 5. Our 5th carnival design of today is going to be... I can't tell what this is. Oh, it's the s'more, and it is adorable. Look at this. Oh my goodness. He literally has marshmallows in his eyes. Look at that. Marshmallows in the eyes. So the Meemeows, they always have this little rarity patch, an embroidered patch that is always in this position, but on the s'more they've put it on the s'more. That's so funny. Also, this just looks so tasty. The marshmallow all toasted and ready to go. The colors on this, they just look so scrumptious. I could just eat this right up. Carnival treat number 6. I'm hoping this is onion rings. I really want to see some purple. It's not onion rings, but there's some one has a little purple flower and purple eyes. I'm liking this one. Look at that purple flower. That is so cute. I think this is meant to be like an ice cream cookie. Frosted cat cookie. My brain is going to be thinking of ice cream forever. This is not ice cream. This is a frosted cat. I see that. I see it now. We've got the base and then we've got beautiful pink frosting with little circle sprinkles. Oh my goodness. She has little stars. Pink and purple star. Beautiful. Thank you for representing the purple lifestyle. She's also got beautiful purple eyes with little pink stars inside. Beautiful little cheeky smile. She's got frosting on her paws too and purple paws. We love that. All right, 3 to go. Will this one be my onion rings? And it is. Is that onion rings? No, but oh my goodness. It's a sparkly cat. This fabric is so different to the fabric from all of those. Like, you can kind of see the texture if I compare it to this one here. It's just this really smooth, shiny fabric. It feels so nice. It is so smooth. This one is based off a lollipop, I think. Correct. This is the lollipop cat. The swirls are so beautiful. So many beautiful colors. I love the way they look on the tail and the way they wrap around the body. It's just perfect. Then we've got a really cute face. Very, very bright eyes. We've got some yellow in here. Little pink heart. And this bit is beautiful. This is obviously the ice cream stick. So cute because it has this beautiful pink bow. And then down the back, she's got purple paw prints. These two, definitely best friends. Or maybe they're enemies. What do you reckon? Best friends or enemies? Okay, second last one is hopefully my onion rings. Yay! It is the onion rings in the beautiful purple outfit. Ooh, this one's fluffy too. It's not like the same fluffiness as this one, but it is fluffy. You can hopefully see the texture here on camera. This is another beautiful cat. I love his little eyes. He looks so sleepy, and then he's like sleepy but hungry. He's dreaming about eating that onion ring on the top of his head. Got brown embroidery in his ears to match the brown embroidery of his eyes. He's got a stack of onion rings on his back. They are shaped like rings. That is very nice. And as you know, big fan of the outfit, otherwise known as the onion ring packaging. Beautiful purple and white stripes. Matches my outfit today. Oh my gosh, this matches my skirt perfectly. We're already wearing matching outfits. Our friendship's off to a great start. All right, the final Carnival Meemeow and the final Meemeow of today. The only one I haven't opened is actually another ice cream one. Oh, okay, it's not an ice cream. It looked like an ice cream from the front, but from the side, in this picture, I can see it's actually a chocolate dipped banana cat. Now, the chocolate dipped banana cat is actually a new kind of rarity. On this guide, it says it's ultra rare. Fingers crossed it's the chocolate chip banana cat. It is our chocolate chip banana cat. You can see without a doubt that is a banana, not ice cream. It's got banana peels here. Oh, that's so creative. This little cat has sprinkles in its eyes. Look at that. That's amazing. And we've got lots more embroidered sprinkles up here and across here. The banana peel is the best bit. I love that. You can see the little ultra rare symbol there. How awesome. What a beautiful way to finish off a whole video of delicious cats. They just all look so tasty. Well, if you would like to get yourself some tasty cats too, head on over to Big W, Target, or the Warehouse in New Zealand. This litter is also out at Kmart as well. Huge thank you to Banter Toys for sending me all these cats and making this video possible. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you again with some more videos soon. Bye!